It's me, Carline anglade-cole. And for over 22 years, I've been writing some crazy headlines that really grab your prospect by the eyeballs. Many of these headlines have been used in direct mail and online for 3, 5, 7 years or more. Yep, they are kicking butt. And those crazy headlines have turned me into a $1 million award-winning, high-demand copywriter. But let me let you in on a little secret. Ready? Come closer. Come on, closer. Creating these killer headlines is not hard. You just gotta know how to do it. And I'm gonna show you. How cool is that, right? Yep, I am gonna show you. So I am starting a new series I call Crazy Headlines That Kick Butt. And I am going to let you get into my head so you can see how I take ideas and develop them into attention-grabbing headlines. Sound good? Now, are you sure you really want to get into my crazy head? Okay, you've been warned. Okay, so stick with me and I am going to show you how you can create your own winning headlines that kick butt and fatten your wallet. Okay, so let's get ready to have some fun and sharpen your copywriting skills.